With its heady mix of stunning temples, delicious foods and vibrant markets, Little India is one part of Singapore you should definitely check out. The Sri Verramakaliamman temple is one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore and is dedicated to Kali, the goddess and destroyer of evil. It was built in the early 19th century by early Indian immigrants to the city, and amazingly, it survived the air raids of Singapore during World War II. Sakya Muni Buddha Gaya Temple is also known as the Temple of 1000 Lights. This is because of the hundreds of little small light bulbs that surround the 15-meter, 300-ton statue of Buddha that takes pride of place inside this house of worship. Originally established in 1927, its unusual architecture can be attributed to its combination of Thai, Indian, and Chinese traits, making it one of the city's most unique temples. Just across the road, the Leong San Si Temple, which means Dragon Mountain Gate Temple, was established in 1917. It is dedicated to Guanyin, the Buddhist goddess of compassion and mercy. Inside, there is an altar with an image of the great Chinese philosopher Confucius, who many Chinese parents ask their children to pray to for intelligence and respect for their parents, elders, and ancestors. The Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple was built in 1855 and is one of the oldest temples in the city. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, preserver and protector of the universe. It's well known for its 5-tiered gatehouse tower, which was built in 1966 at a cost of 300,000 Singapore dollars. It is covered with many avatars of Vishnu and other Hindu gods. It is also the starting point for the annual Thaipusam festival, which is when devotees pierce their tongues and other body parts with metal skewers and take part in the annual procession to the Chedia's temple. If it's bargains you're after, then look no further than the streets of Little India, where you can find everything from fruit and veggies to freshly made floral garlands and much more. The granddaddy of retail in the area is the massive Mustafa Centre, which is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Covering 4 floors, it contains more than 300,000 items, and here you'll find everything from gold jewellery to groceries, and there's even a hotel on the premises. There are no shortage of great restaurants in the neighbourhood, but for tasty, cheap Indian, Chinese and Malay street food, you can't go past the Tekka Hawker Centre. The centre bustles with action and aromas from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. at night, and also includes a wet market and a range of stalls selling everything from Indian costumes to Buddhist paraphernalia and a whole lot more. Little India is a unique and exciting part of the Lion City, and you should definitely include it on your next visit to Singapore, especially if you are visiting in October or November, when Diwali, the annual festival of lights, comes to town. If you want to find another great reason to visit Singapore, click on the link to the right of your screen right now. As always, thanks for watching, And until next time, I'll see you later.